After administering the post-growth goals survey to my students, I analyzed the data from the survey as a means of reflecting over best instructional practices. I found the results to be very interesting. Element 2, Tracking Student Growth. Based on the pre-survey and post-survey data, my students' perception indicated a positive growth. The data collected displayed an accurate and positive impact of my students' knowledge in tracking their growth both as a class and individually. My students demonstrated a clear understanding of how to obtain growth over time. Element 6, Chunking Content. Based on the pre-survey and post-survey data, my students' perception indicated a positive growth. The data collected displayed an accurate and successful impact of chunking content into digestible pieces. My students demonstrated a clear understanding of what it means to process pieces of specific skill sets before having to put it all together. Element 23, Noticing when students are not engaged in reacting. Based on the pre-survey and post-survey data, my students' perception indicated a negative growth. The data collected does not display an accurate view on the growth obtained from this goal. The data insinuates a negative change based on how the students answered the post-survey questions and not on the actions demonstrated in class. The level of difficulty in the content learned has increased in rigor, causing more frustration and a loss of interest in what is being learned. I feel as though the students answered the post-survey questions based on the level of difficulty of the content and not based on the level of engagement. They see the lack of engagement as being the inability to master a challenging skill with ease.